Hello everyone, this is Professor Kus from Handong Global University. So you are enjoying AI, culture and art? I'm pretty sure. We covered image and AI parts a few weeks. So today we're gonna summarize all the image and AI part. So let's get to it. Do you remember? We covered the three parts. The first one was image generative AI, how it works, how could we use it. And secondly, we covered all the art history in AI. It was so fantastic and interesting. Lastly, we covered SDG and AI. We want to open your perspectives. So let's get back to the first one. The image generative AI, in terms of image gen AI, consists of two important algorithms. The first one was GAN, which is Generative Adversarial Network. It's based on the system using machine learning and deep learning. And also you could remember VAE, which is Variational Autoencoder. This is also important algorithm, generative image AI. So let's go to the next part. I'm pretty sure you remember all the image generative AI platforms, such as Midjourney, DALL-E, Leonardo AI, etc. Those are the representatives image generative AI worldwide. So if you want to get into it, please Google it. You could use it easily and free of charge. So this one is kind of prompt engineering secret code. If you want to make a proper image or appropriate image efficiently or effectively, please remember 3 C's. The first one was character. Yeah, do you like SpongeBob? Like that character describes your characters. Also, secondly, context is really important. As a background, making your image, or think about where it is or when it is important as a context. Lastly, color. We call like a style or genre, because the art has a lot of different style. So if you put any style, color, or genre in a prompt, you gotta appropriate image very well. So please remember 3 C's. Okay, so next part was art history and AI. It's long history, but we want to summarize in a few minutes. Okay? The first one, historically, ancient Greek art started the Western art history. Those are beautiful ideas in the human forms, harmony and balance. As you can see in the slide, there is a really artistic sculpture, and also you can see the Parthenon temple. It's kind of large-scale architecture, and it's a sculpture focused on the human body. Those are the main symbols in ancient Greek art. And then we're gonna move to Roman art style. Those are the realistic portrait of sculpture of emperor and general flourished during that time. There are a lot of walls and many argues, and they got like a power. So the art represents their histories. Also, I'm pretty sure the Colosseum in Rome is really famous. Those are the big symbol in Roman art styles. After that, medieval European art. In terms of religious symbols, as you can see in the slide, there's a beautiful artwork, Sistine Chapel ceiling art by Michelangelo, and any other Dead Christ artworks based on Bible story. Those are the representation of a religion centered around the church architectures. And then we could move to Renaissance era. Those are like a big flower of the long art history. And at that time, we focused on the human expression and emotion within the context of a contemporary flow of time in art. In that advance of perspective in art leads to depiction the beauty of nature and the human body. Mona Lisa is the best example that era of the art, right? After that, we moved to 19th century changes and the beginning of the modern art. At that time, There is a diversification art forms and themes influenced by the modernization and industrialization. This is the seed of modern art began to sprout alongside Impressionism in the late 19th century. I'm pretty sure you love Monet, Degas, or George Seurat. So please look at it, the different styles. After the 19th century, we moved to the 20th century in modern art. In that era, there was a realism, abstract art, pop art, and postmodernism. Various movements developed simultaneously. The boundaries of art became blurred and emphasizing diversity and free expressions. So Andy Warhol's silkscreen artwork, kind of the symbol of that modern art. Also, many people love the Pablo Picasso. So please get into it and get an inspiration in the long history of art. Okay, very recently, we are understanding the modernity and art because many artists using media and technology in their art worldviews. One of the famous media artists, Baek Nam-jun, the Dadaiksan, which means the more, the merrier. Yeah, this is the world-breaking art history. And very recently, in 2022, there's a closer integration of digital art episode, which is a space opera theater made by Midjourney. It won the USA Colorado art competition in digital art sections. Those kind of very controversial issues, but still we are living in an art history. So it's really a long story in art journey, and I'm really happy to in art history. So let's go to specific interesting episode, which is the next Rembrandt project. Do you heard about it? I will give you the YouTube links in this visual material, but the short brief history is based on like this. Microsoft, Delft University Technology in Netherlands, and the Rembrandt House Museum, they collaborate in 2016. They want to make a compilation of artwork using artificial intelligence that learned Rembrandt's painting style. Looks like this. They covered all the painting style, the colors, the composition of his style, and they made a new artwork named by Next Rembrandt. So please watch that YouTube links and you will get the good inspirations. All right, the third, we covered SDG and AI. SDG, you know that, right? Sustainable Development Goals, which is we are pursuing the world peace together in 17 goals. Looks like this. From the women's health, educational, prosperity, eco-friendly movement, and the partnership in worldwide. So those 17 UN-supported SDG are really important. And pretty sure these are a little bit many of goals. So we want to categorize the 4 P's. First one, people. Second, planet. Third, prosperity and partnership. So you could really easily memorize the 4 P's as a whole the SDG. For example, the number 11, which is sustainable cities and communities, is really important because most of the human beings live in cities. So we have to think about it, how it works, and how can we live peacefully and sustainably. So the cities are a hub of ideas and commerce and also culture, social development. And people want to progress socially and economically. We could use our generative AI to express those kind of goals like this. This is the example, state of city today. As you can see, many turbulences and many chaos all the cities, but it's not that good condition right now. So using the generative AI, we could make it ideal image of a sustainable city. Looks like fancy and eco-friendly, also sustainable. So please generate with your own point of views. All right, thank you for submit all the assignments we completed a few weeks. The first one, all the students create their own storytelling using image generative AI. That was really awesome. And secondly, we did create our own artwork with image gen AI. It was really fantastic and it's really good to eye. Thirdly, there was a creating vision statement applying your own SDG. For example, Sustainable City number 11 was really good example, making a good statement for this. Lastly, we drew our dream city, which is known as Sustainable City. So please get back to all the generative AI skills. So, do you love hashtags? These are the 3 main hashtags to memorize what we learned in image generative AI part. Number 1 was prompt engineering. We call 3 C's. Do you remember? Character, context, and color. Yeah, so please remember, make it appropriate image in image generative platforms. Also, we could use Stable Diffusion, Written, or DALL-E, and Leonardo AI. Those kind of powerful image generative AI help us to express our imaginations. So these are the group discussion topics. It's really interesting and there's no answer. So please think about it and share with your colleagues. Those are the interesting question. Does AI generated visual art possesses originality? Pros is visual art created by artificial intelligence should be recognized as new art. Cons, visual art created by artificial intelligence is cheating using technology. Which is your part? Yeah. What is the pros and cons? So please think about it and share your voice with your colleagues. Okay. And also, I want to give you a final assignment in this part. We cover a lot of art history and image generative AI services. And I'm pretty sure you have many insights using that services and make it clear, prompt configuration, description, and reason for selection, features and complements, and your final point of view using Canva or MIDI Canvas. There are a lot of good templates and just make it a content what you think easily. And then we could discuss really effectively. So upload these final assignments to LMS. I will let you know the bottom of this YouTube links. All right. I hope you enjoy our visual art journey with generative AI. Thank you for your engagement. So next class, we'll focus on the video generative AI, and also we want to cover audio generative AI. Stay tuned.